So we are in Rotterdam in room 1082. This is an ocean view cabin. So that means it's just a window, no balcony. It's been really great. So I didn't want to end the week without giving you a tour of the room. So because we didn't want the beds together, they set it up like twins, which is great. We were very comfortable. Wonderful little couch. There's my shoes. And cute little towel animals, wonderful. Let me just show you. We are in port right now, so you can see everything outside. Hello! But it's been wonderful to have, because it was cold, we never once felt like we missed the balcony, which was great. And then of course the vanity, which has your blow dryer in it. The television, you have plenty of cabinet space and drawers, 2 nightstands, one for each person with 2 drawers, which is great. We actually had water stored down here, and then there's some dishes up there. You have an in-cabin refrigerator, which is fully stocked. The towels were something that we put in there, which I do highly recommend. A nice cold towel in the morning is very refreshing, or when you've been someplace where it's hot. And then of course the safe, which is a great size. I will show you my side of we're almost unpacking. So this is the closet. As you can see, I'm not quite moved out yet. It was wonderful. Each of us took a side of the closet, and this particular stateroom also has a shoe hold, which, as you can see, is wonderful. So we really did love this. I would highly recommend it. I would definitely book it again, and that is an ocean view stateroom. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Now, we have moved in, so it's a little messy. Just like the balcony bathrooms, it's exactly the same. It's a fantastic setup with a huge shower. I mean, seriously, the full side. And the glass doors, which are amazing. Make sure you turn it on with the shower head pointing away so you don't get sprayed, and LMS products for in the shower. Hello. So actually, you also have LMS lotion and hand soap here as well.